If you find your iPhone too complicated, or if you only use a few apps, Assistive Access can simplify the phone, so it only shows what's needed, with bigger buttons, clearer labels, and less clutter. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the Settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the Settings page, navigate to the Accessibility tab. It's blue and has a white stickman on it. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Assistive Access. This has a white picture of a smartphone on a grey background. If this is your first time setting it up, tap Set Up Assistive Access. The phone will guide you through a few steps. You'll be asked if you would like the apps set up in rows or a grid. This is just a cosmetic choice, so it's completely up to you. Choose the apps you want to allow. You'll see a list of apps that work with Assistive Access. Tap the green plus symbol next to the ones you use. These apps that are optimized for Assistive Access will guide you through some questions. For example, for the phone app, you can choose to disallow incoming or outgoing calls to or from anyone that's not in your contacts. You can also set up a button to directly call a certain contact and adjust in-call options, like whether to show or hide the speakerphone button. Go through the list and add as many of the optimized apps as you like by tapping on the green plus button and then choosing your options. You can also add any other apps that you regularly use, but these won't be simplified. You can always adjust these later. Once you're done, tap the blue Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Follow the steps until you are asked to set a passcode. This is really important. The passcode lets you turn Assistive Access off again, so make sure it's something only you or a trusted person knows. You can also choose to set a recovery account in case you forget your password to exit Assistive Access. It would be best to use the account of someone you know well, so you can contact them if you need help. They will need to sign in with their Apple ID to set this up. Your phone will give you instructions on how to exit Assistive Access. Make a note of this if you need to. Once everything's set, tap Start Using Assistive Access. The iPhone will now ask for your Assistive Access passcode and then go to the simplified layout. It will only show the apps you chose with larger buttons, no swipe gestures, and no distractions. It's worth mentioning that if you've set up an accessibility shortcut, you will not be able to use it while in Assistive Access. But the font size can be adjusted from within Assistive Access by triple-clicking the side button, tapping Settings, entering your passcode, and using the slider. To exit Assistive Access, triple-click the side button and tap on Exit Assistive Access. Enter your passcode and then wait for your phone to return to normal. If you're setting up Assistive Access for someone else, please make sure you have their full consent. Always explain what the feature does and make sure they're comfortable with it before making changes to their device. Everyone has the right to understand and control how their phone works.